Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. It is my April update for Deck of Panning. I'm a little late, but you're never too late. That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Anyway, Deck of Panning, I'm sure all of you know what Deck of Panning is, but I will have all of the info down in the description box. It is a year-long project that was developed by Emily and Max. There is a game board. We have a deck of cards. It's a very, very fun panning project. I'm not going to go through all the ins and outs of it. I will have everything down in the description box so that you can go check it out if you're interested in doing it. It's never too late to jump in. Jump in where you are. So, let's get into this month's update. I have a total of 6 products, and I have quite a few that are going to be rolling out. 2 of them, one absolutely is rolling out because I'm done, and one I might be rolling out. I don't know, we'll see. So let's go over what I have rolling out. For the 2 of Spades, collecting cobwebs, I have this ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I rolled this in for 10 uses and I have used it 11 times, so this is rolling out. For the 5 of Clubs foundations, I rolled in this Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 3-in-1, which is Ivory Beige. This is one of my favorite powdered foundations. I'm a powder foundation girl if you are new here and you don't know, and I love this foundation. I rolled this in as well for 10 uses and I have used it 10 times. Easy to use that product 10 times. For the 4 of Diamonds, which was a bronzer, I rolled in my House Labs Trifecta. Is this a trifecta? Powder Sculpt Velvet Bronzer in light level 2. This is a beautiful, beautiful cool tone bronzer. I have it on. I love it. I rolled this in for 10 uses as well, and I have used it 10 times, so that as well will be rolling out. For the 7 of Hearts, that was a black-owned beauty brand, and I rolled in the Juvia's Place The Rebel Grays. I rolled this in for 10 uses. I have only used it 10 times. I am wearing it today in Holy Glitter. Holy Fallout. I don't know if you can see all of the fallout, and normally fallout doesn't bother me. I always put my face on before I do my eyes. That's just how I do it. And this is a beautiful color story. It is absolutely gorgeous. The look that I created is stunning. I love it, but the fallout, and I even sprayed it and I still have a lot of fallout. So I was like, do I want to keep on trying? I probably will. I will probably leave this in to get my 10 uses. I have 8 more to go. Surely I can get that done, but so we'll leave this one in for now. For the 9 of Diamonds, you were to choose a product that was newest in your collection, and I picked this Magic Castle water activated duochromes. This can either be used as an eyeshadow or as an eyeliner. And you really can't see, of course the light's pretty bright. I rolled this in to use 10 times. I have used it twice, and I am not only rolling it out, I will be decluttering it. I may do a little bit of research first, but y'all, and the shades in this are beautiful. I swatched it for you. They're stunning. But as you can see right there, that one is flaking off. I put this green right here as a eyeliner on my upper lid. And before I could put my mascara on, it started flaking off. They flake off. You see? I had it all over, like it's lifting and just flying away. Yep, nope, I ain't about it. Now, and I mean, I put it on my hand very thin, so it's not like it's on too thick. I don't know. I don't know if there's a trick. Do any of y'all have this? I think this came in an Ice Cream Beauty box. Is there a trick to getting these to work? Because they're gorgeous, but it just flakes off, so what's the point? Anyway, I'm rolling it out because ain't nobody got time for that. For the 5 of Hearts, something metallic, I rolled in this Milani Metallic Lights Foiled Eyeliner in the shade Blu-ray to use 10 times. And I have used it 10 times, and look at how beautiful that is. It is very creamy, very nice eyeliner. I really did enjoy that. So those are all the products. That means that I'm gonna have to leave this in. I'm gonna have to. I'll leave that one in. So that means that I need to pull 5 cards, which would have been 4, but you know. All right, y'all. Here's my deck. Let me show you that I have a joker in here. Hello? 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 Oh, there he is. Joker. Alrighty. So while I'm shuffling the cards, I'll put the game board up so that we can look at it. I have not looked at it. The face cards do not change, but she shuffles the other cards. So, favorite color, gemstone, matches eye color, pop culture, three's a crowd, whoops, lost a card in the floor. Oh, that's not up there. That's just me throwing my cards in the floor. Oh, the shame. I have a lot of those. Peach fuzz, that sounds interesting. Alright, y'all. Hopefully they're all nice and shuffled. I have to, if I can hold on to them, I have to cut them 3 times. It's a thing. Superstitious. I don't know why. I never knew I was superstitious. And I have to tap it 3 times. I'm just going to pull the cards right up off the top of the deck. The first card is the 9 of Hearts. That is, oh, the shame. The next one is the 7 of Clubs. That is Black-owned beauty brand. And then we have the 5 of Hearts. That is Gifted. That's 3. Number 4 is the 10 of Diamonds. That is Multi-Purpose. One more. The 9 of Spades. Thank goodness we didn't get a joker, and that is a splurge item. Alright, let me pull these products and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. I'm kind of excited about my choices. That didn't take me long either. For the 9 of Hearts, which is, oh, the shame. I picked this NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. Ooh, that's really pretty. Look at how pretty that is. And I have not used that. I have had that for quite a while. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that pink. Alright, I'm excited to use that. The 7 of Clubs is a Black-owned beauty brand, so I picked this Tower 28. This is Beach Please Magic Hour. This is a cream blush, and I thought that that would be a pretty shade for summer. These are so creamy and just pigmented as all get out. Isn't that pretty? That's a pretty shade for summer. Let me wipe my fingers on this towel. I'm trying not to wipe them on my pants, which is what I usually do. So I have used this product because there's my blue dot, but I'm excited to use it again. For the 5 of Hearts, that was something that was gifted. And y'all, I just got this yesterday. And I'm here to tell you, I was so excited. I was so surprised. So excited. This gift could not have come at a better time. I was having a very, very, very bad day yesterday. Very bad. Yeah, it was bad. It was bad. And so I got a box from Amazon with this set of Zoya nail polishes in it. And as soon as I got it, well, after I quit crying, because it made me cry pretty hard, the first thing I did was swatch them. Aren't they beautiful? They are so beautiful. I love them. My favorite colors right here. This is Leanna in a box. And now let me show you something. One of the shades in this box, this shade right here, the name of this shade is Debbie. Can you see it? I know my light's kind of bright. I'm trying to figure out my light, y'all. Debbie is the name of this shade. It is a beautiful, beautiful shade. These polishes were gifted to me from Deb B. She's here on YouTube. I will link her channel down below. She sent me the sweetest little note to go along with these. And I fully realize that for most people, these are more fall type shades. I don't care. I don't care. I'm going to use them as my prompt for gifted. I have not been telling y'all how many times I'm going to use things. I'm going to use this 10 times. I've been going with 10. 10 times on the blush. I'm going to use each one of these polishes 1 time because I can't, that would be 40 times if I did 10 each. But I'm going to do all of them. The next card is the 10 of Diamonds, and that is a multi-purpose product. So I picked this House Labs high-powered pigment paint. It is in beige matte, and you can use this on your face, you can use it on your lips, you can use it as an eyeshadow. It makes a phenomenal eye primer, and I'm going to use this 10 times. For the 9 of Spades, that is a splurge item, and I'm super excited because I just got the Cold Moon palette from Ensly Reign, and I have a terrible habit. Look, it's just, oh, it's so pretty. I have a terrible habit of buying things and then not using them. So I am so excited that that said splurge, and I was like, I am rolling this palette in. I am rolling this palette in so that I just got it. I got it this week. And look at it, y'all. Look at how beautiful. Oh, it is beautiful. I love the packaging. I love everything about it. Everything. I cannot wait to stick my fingers in it. cannot wait. How many times am I going to use it? I'm going to set a usage goal of 5 times. 5 times. Y'all, let's look at it one more time. Look at that. Oh, I am so happy it doesn't have a mirror in it. So there we go. There's my update for Deck of Panning. I'm so excited about the products that I chose. I'm so excited to be letting this one go. And I'm gonna keep working on that one, y'all. We'll see. Don't forget, all of the information is down in the description box about this panning project. Make sure that you go check out Emily and Max. She has an amazing intro video that tells you all about the project, how it works, and all the things. Deb B is linked down below. Please go check out her channel as well and show her some love. And if you've never visited her channel, make sure you let her know that Leanna sent you. She is an amazing dumpster fire. You'll see what I mean when you go visit her. Before you go check out those amazing channels, make sure that you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Okay? Love you, bye.